It's under the hood and in our blood. The roar of the engine, the rush of the wind. We can never go fast enough, hard enough, or loud enough. Whether we're on the streets or above the clouds, America is our playground. On the waves, we dominate the sea. In the air, we rule the sky. On the track, we push the limits. Off the road, we forge new paths. We are the land of the free and the nation of horsepower, speed, and victory.